Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the doors and windows in Revit. You need to download them from, like when you first download your Revit, you need to download the folder with all of the families in it because doors and windows, these are families. Um, you need to download that folder so you can have them there whenever you need them, the basic, um, the basic folders. After it, you need to know one thing. To put doors and windows, you need them to be on a host. You can't just put them in the air. They can't be on a floor or a roof. They need to be on a wall. Um, and the wall needs to be a basic wall. You can't put in curtain walls and stuff, but they're different. They're not the same one. So you have to go to the plan view, go to architecture, door. You can put it from the 3D, but to be precise, it's good to be on the floor plan view. Um, you press on load family and then you go to load the families, like doors. You open it. You go through whichever one you want. You have some basic ones there. You have to open the folder that says doors. If you want windows, then you have to choose the window from the beginning. Otherwise, it won't let you open it. And you tend to have a basic few doors and windows. For me, the ones that you can see are mostly the downloaded ones. There are a few that are like they do give you a good like 10, 15 windows or doors to use, but you do get a good few. And you have like commercial, residential and stuff, but then it doesn't matter which one you put. It won't make an issue for you. So you can go to any one of them that you want when you're using them. I want this one, so I'm just opening this one. And you can choose the size based on whichever you want and whichever size you want. Um, Once it comes, you just put it on the wall and it will be there. After it, you have to, you can put it like this also, like from the 3D, but it's better from there. You can do, if you want to change the sizes or anything like that, like the height or the width or like the material, you can duplicate it and like change the name and then put your dimensions. Like I'm making it 2 meters because ideally I prefer the main door to be 2 meters. Um, so yeah, apart from this, you can, if you change it from like the beginning, like without duplicating it, then it will change the main family, which isn't okay. So you won't be able to use the main family in this project anymore. So that's me with the doors. Um, and then I'm going to do the windows. So I'll go to the windows, which is next to the doors. Load family again. You have to go and open the window, I mean the folder for the windows, which is at the bottom. It took me a few minutes to find it open. Most of the windows that you can see are windows that I downloaded from the internet. You can download more windows and doors as you need them. There are a few websites from which you can download them and they are free, you don't have to pay for them. There are ones that you can buy as well, but ideally you can just go and download them for free. There are websites like BIM City or Revit City. You can just go there and download them for free, and there are many more websites. So I chose this one because it's one of the basic ones that you get in the main like Revit family. You can put it from the floor plan as I did because it's more precise, or you can put it from the 3D. You can, when it comes to windows, there is something. You need to consider the sill height, which is the height from the roof roof to like the top of the window. So that's the sill height. You can change it from the settings here, and you can flip them. If it's like towards the inside, you can flip them, or if the door if you want the door to open towards the inside, you can flip it as well, like the way I showed for the walls. And let's say you want to have your windows upstairs in the same place. In that case, you just select the whole thing, filter. You select all of the windows, which is basically, it will show you all of the windows regardless of whatever families you have. You just copy them and paste them in the floors that you want to have them, and press OK, and it will paste it there for you. So doing it this way is better than doing it manually, because you will have them in the same place as you have in the other floors. So it keeps it consistent. I'm going to link, I'll give the links for BIM City and Revit City, from where you can download more families. You can download the basic ones or these ones, depending on which one you need. And I'll show how to put doors and windows in the curtain walls in the next video, because it takes some time. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment on what you want to see next from me.